Okay, hello YouTube. So in this video, I'm going to talk about traffic again because I know that's a popular topic, and I know a lot of people who are following me here on YouTube and other networks and platforms who are, running an online business, looking to potentially work from the comfort of their own home and simply make money. Perhaps you're, keen to build a business, or you've got a platform you like promoting, or you're looking to get some people into whatever business you're working with, so you can start earning commissions. Now, this traffic 100% works, and I've been promoting this traffic a lot. You've seen, probably some of you have seen my recent videos about this traffic and how well it's been performing. Today, I'm mostly going to be talking about the fact that this traffic not only provides me with a huge amount of sales and sign-ups, including you know paid members into my primary businesses, and certainly leads, of course, but also it sells well as well. This traffic will, because it's wholesale premiums traffic. It's not only is it reasonable, um, very very affordable. It's popular, because it works. It's simple as that. At the end of the day, it works. It's not just working for me; it's working for a number of people in my team. So, so as you can see, it's a Warrior Plus. Hold on a minute. Yeah, it's a Warrior Plus deal. Okay, this is a platform a little bit similar to something like ClickBank, or it's just a platform where a lot of vendors are selling their product or service. This company is selling their traffic on this platform. So if you don't know WarriorPlus is a great platform that's been around for years and years and years. I don't know, 2003 I think they launched, or maybe earlier. And you can purchase products and services. Now, the wholesale premium traffic, which is what I'm talking about, is what I've been able to make money from. As you can see, I purchased traffic myself from this platform, about a week ago or a couple of weeks ago, whenever it was, and already I'm earning enough commissions again so I can make another purchase with this traffic. So with Warrior Plus, I've been able to earn a good income with Warrior Plus. Okay, as you can see, if I just go to my wallet and I go to summary, so my earnings are over $3,000 with Warrior Plus. Okay, and obviously my purchases are almost that as well. The reason being is that I don't regard Warrior Plus to be a platform for me to make actual money as such. I mean, in terms of actually being able to withdraw and just using it as cash and pocket money or whatever. I look at it as a way to generate expenses, or generate a commission so I can use for my expenses, because running a profitable business online requires you to have expenses. You're going to be spending money on traffic and tools, and in terms of, for you to be able to build your business. That's exactly what I'm talking about here. So I put the money straight back into purchasing the traffic, etc. And I've been in part of this platform for several years, and so what I'm wanting to do is to simply put the money back in, um, and pay for traffic. So that's what I'm doing. So let's have, again, let me just show you all the activity here. And currently I have $117 to use. I've got $53 pending. As you can see, they're coming in regularly. So I got this commission, when was it? Yesterday. It's now the 14th today, here in 14th of December here in Japan. 13th yesterday I got that commission. On the 10th I got a commission. On the 7th I got a commission. 6th I got a commission. On the 4th I got a commission, and so on. These are all with the exclusive traffic, the system exclusive traffic, and which is the wholesale premium traffic, which is what I'm talking about. Okay. So as you can see, I've been able to earn a decent ongoing income with this. And as you can see, you know, these are all the commissions that I've been able to earn. So just earnings. So there you go. So this is not obviously not all from system exclusive of traffic, Wholesale Premium. I'm earning from other scalable traffic. I'm earning from as well, and other things. You know, Easy Traffic Blueprint. So you know, I'm generating commissions using the WarriorPlus system. And in, you know, in Mega Marketing Pro, if you go to step 2, this is my marketing system. You'll be able to browse down, and we've got it locked in here. I've changed the position of Wholesale Premium Traffic because, you know, I do from time to time change the positions of these traffic platforms just so that people can, you know, see what we've got in here. You know, sometimes the traffic platforms that are actually very, very good and very, you know, worth checking out don't get viewed if they're sort of further down the page. So I'm basically what I add in here, all the traffic platforms that I add in here are traffic platforms that I personally use regularly, and that I've got a lot of good results out of. That's why they're in here. Okay, I use other traffic platforms that I haven't even put in here, but I haven't had that good results. So, you know, I track everything. That's why it gets in, put it in here. So I've had great results from traffic from the Wholesale Premium Traffic. So I move that further up the top, and so on. But that doesn't, you know, just because they're in a certain order doesn't mean that the ones at the bottom are necessarily worse than the others. It just, you know, I just move them around from time to time just so that people can see. But certainly, you know, I do tend to put the better ones that are performing the best generally sort of higher at the top on the whole. But you know, that's that. So, you know, absolutely get on the link and check out the traffic. It's very reasonable if you're looking for reasonable traffic. You know, for example, the cheapest option is only, you know, $48 for unique clicks, and you know, the cheaper option, the unique clicks, they're pretty good. You know, I use them. But, you know, like for myself, for example, I've got currently $117. So, you know, I could probably I could certainly purchase this one. Okay, 500 clicks for this option. So as you can see, comparing it to other solo ad vendors out there, the price is very, very reasonable. Now I'm going to be putting my videos so that you can check my previous videos about the results that I've been getting. So check those out because I do get a lot of results. I get a lot of leads, and I'm proving that in my previous videos. So I'll put the videos right here on the screen so that you can see those, so that you can check out those other videos and see my results. Anyway, thanks for watching. Get on the inside, check out these great traffic platforms, and look forward to working with you. Take care.